Red Hat Linux tutorial.
Client-server or peer-to-peer. In a client-server network, machines are dedicated to performing a variety of functions, in some ways like the old mainframe dumb terminal days. You might, for instance, have a print server that handles print jobs for every computer on the network, a highly useful arrangement if, for example, yours is an enterprise that prepares many invoices, contracts, or other documents. Or you might have a file server, whose sole purpose is to serve up boilerplate documents or the contents of a huge database, or to serve as the repository of a big project on which many people collaborate. If your enterprise has an online presence, you may wish to dedicate one machine as a web server, and perhaps one or more machines as a file transfer protocol server, so that people can download files. You'll probably need some kind of mail server to handle both external email and messages sent within the network. Clients are machines connected to such a network. They are not servers, instead, they rely on network services provided by the server machines. Clients are usually full, freestanding workstations, although it is possible to connect dumb terminals, monitor, keyboard pointing device to such a network in some circumstances. To use the services provided by the server, clients need to have accounts on the desired server and must log into those accounts. A peer-to-peer network resembles a client-server network in that the machines are wired to each other and some services are shared. But in a peer network, those shared items, a CD reader, perhaps, or a printer, reside on machines that are also used for other purposes. If you have a very small, low-traffic network, a peer-to-peer system might be right for you because it requires no dedicated server machine. Peer networking can prove impractical for high-volume operations because, for instance, multiple big print jobs will keep the poor soul who shares his printer from getting much else done. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.